Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to earn minute. So first of all, open your cPanel and then search for file manager. Once you get it, click on file manager. And scroll down, then open public HTML. And now click on settings, select home directory and select show hidden files, then click on save. And after that you will find this htaccess file. Select this file, edit. Now I'm going to paste a code here and you can find this code in video description. After pasting the code, click on save changes and success. So this is how we can redirect HTTP to HTTPS. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to earn minute. Thanks for watching this video.